Hello and welcome. My name is Dr. Healy. I'm here again with my assistant Aaron. I have plenty of patients that come to me who want to know what kind of tools they can utilize at home to help with any of their neck pain, back pain, knee pain. One tool that's very inexpensive is a foam roller. You can find these from anywhere from $5 to $30 depending on the type that you'd like. So today we're going to go over some exercises that we can do to help with knee pain, low back, and hip pain. And so the first thing I'm gonna have Erin do is demonstrate how to properly foam roll her IT band. And so what I'm gonna have you lay on your left side here, and the foam roll is gonna start at the top of the hip. The leg that she's foam rolling is going to be straight. The other one's gonna come across so that then her body weight is just laying onto the foam roller here. And then I'm gonna have her just place her weight on the elbow. There we go. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to have her slowly slide up, and then when she finds an area that's really tight and tender, I'm going to have her stop. And I want her to hold this here for 5 to 10 seconds. Her leg might start shaking, and that's okay. What this is doing is breaking up that adhesion. And so within that IT band, it's a very, very thin muscle, and it's really hard to stretch. So as she's going through here, she's going to find small adhesions, stop, and then I'm going to have her roll back to the top, and then roll back over. So then she's going past that adhesion to a new spot. And I'm gonna have her work all the way from the hip, all the way down to the knee. And it's quite painful, especially when you first start here. It's gonna cause a lot of discomfort. But as you do this more often, it's gonna take the pressure off that knee and really help some of that pain levels, and it's gonna be easier and easier as you go. So when she's done with that, then I'm gonna have her slightly rotate this side forward, and then she's gonna go into the front of her leg, because all of these connect to her hip bone, her knee, and it's just gonna take a lot of pressure. So same thing. And you can just bring this to the side here, but you can set that down there to give you a little more support. And you just basically just wanna drop your weight onto it. I'm gonna have you go on your elbow here. There we go. And you're just gonna be working all the way down to the knee. And then I'm gonna have her go all the way up into the groin, into the hip adductors. Because again, a lot of people are sitting down all the time, they're working at their desk quite a bit. And so what happens is that these muscles here get short and tight. And so it's very hard, again, to stretch that out. If you can get this into that kind of crevice within the groin there to take out some of those adhesions, that's gonna release a lot of pressure on the back. So I'm gonna actually, if you can, adjust yourself here, Aaron. I'm gonna have you put this corner kind of right into the hip bone right here. So I'm gonna slide this here. When we do the hip adductors, we wanna use the corner of the foam roller, and she's gonna slide up, and then I want you to drop your leg over here and just let your body just fall onto it. You're gonna know when you find it because it's gonna be tender and kind of a little painful. That's great, doing a fantastic job. The last one I wanna demonstrate how to do is how to work the glutes here. So I'm gonna have you sit on the foam roller here on your butt. We're gonna work her left glute here. And so I'm gonna have her angle slightly to the left, and then she's bringing her left leg onto her right knee. And then she's gonna slide until she feels where it's tender, and she's just gonna kind of hold it there. You may have to angle your body a certain way because people have different muscles that are tight, and the knots might be different. So you'll be able to tell because it will be tender, but after you do this more consistently, it's gonna really take that pressure off, and it won't be as painful as you go through it. So here's a really quick, easy thing you can do that's very inexpensive at home to take the pressure off any knee pain, hence runner's knee, low back pain, hip pain, that you can do at home to help you out. So I hope this helps you on your path to wellness, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.